Last one you made with Krista was very good.
Fish tacos. So we've got sole. No, was it sole I pulled out?
She put her soul into the heart and soul.
And we've got rice, and then Krista did a bunch of different veggies like cabbage, lettuce, mango, tomato, and yeah. So we grilled the shells with cheese on them, and then we're having these beautiful fish tacos. Yum! And then all the other stuff is here. They're going to be beautiful. It's going to be really yummy. I love fish tacos. I love fish tacos. Is that one mine?
Yeah.
On the outside? Okay. Look, she's serving it restaurant style. Look at that.
Yeah, look at those.
That's so yummy.
This is going to be as good as coconut. Can I say coconut?
Yeah, we decided to put mango in it, right, Krista? But I only had jarred mango. I didn't have fresh mango. So that looks really nice.
Those are going to be